Hi guys, my name is Nick and today I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark mode on Windows 10. This is a super quick and easy tutorial, so if you do find it useful, you know what to do. And with that said, let's jump on over to the desktop. Okay, so here we are just within the Windows 10 desktop application here, and what I'm going to do is there's two ways to access this. The first one is to just go down into your start menu and then click on the little gear icon for settings. And then from settings here, you want to navigate over to personalization, and then from personalization, head to colors. Now, the other way is to actually just on your desktop here, right click and go to personalize. And that will take you straight into the personalization section where you can click on colors. Now from here, you'll see choose your color. Now you have three main options at this point: light theme, dark theme, or a custom theme. So if you wanted to, I don't know, let's say create a red theme full of reds, pinks, etc., then you can just do a custom selection and use those. However, in this example here, I'm going to show you how to flick between the light mode and the dark mode. So I'm just going to click on dark. Okay, and that has now changed the entire operating system into a dark theme. Now, just because you're in dark theme doesn't mean that all the applications that you're using will be in a dark theme, unfortunately. However, any Windows-based applications would be. So, for example, if I bring up the File Explorer, that is in a dark theme. Okay, however, using something like Excel, it is not in a dark theme. Okay, so you'll have to understand that sometimes some applications will require a dark theme of their own to be enabled. Otherwise, they have by default a light theme currently running. Okay, and it is as easy as that, guys, in order to enable or disable a dark or light theme in Windows 10. And it's just a matter of going to that personalized section, choosing colors, and then selecting your color scheme for your operating system. Hopefully you guys found this useful. If you did, you know what to do, and I will catch you guys in the next video.